Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to use the transpose function or using transpose to flip data or repositioning the data set from vertical position to horizontal position or vice versa from horizontal position back to vertical position. And here's how you're going to do it. First, I'm going to insert two blank rows and then I'm going to write the transpose function. Then I'm going to select the array or the data set. Then close it, then enter. There you have it. You got the data set now in horizontal position, but there's an issue here. I'm going to format this to date as it is written in numbers. First, I'm going to open the home tab, hit the down arrow. Then I'm going to select the date. Then I'm going to select the date format. And then click OK. So the data set in horizontal position is already formatted in date and numbers. Okay. What if you want to delete the data set in the vertical position? You can do it, but there's problem. You're gonna have issues in the format. So I'm gonna undo this. And then in order for me to be able to delete the data set in vertical position, I'm gonna remove the formula by copy and paste spatial values. Okay, here I got rid of the formula, so I can now delete this. Right? Okay. So what if I want to put this back to its original position, the vertical position? So I just write the transpose function again, right? Then select the data set, the range, and then close and enter. Okay. Same thing. If I'm going to get rid of the data set in horizontal position like this one, okay, you're gonna have problems. Okay, so I'm gonna undo it again, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again get rid of the formula. Same thing, copy, and then paste spatial values. Okay, so now you can remove the you can delete the data set in horizontal position back to original position or vertical position. So that's it. Thank you for watching.